Hello and welcome back to my channel pre-hacking tutorial. So in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install multiple programs automatically with one click in Windows computer. So let's begin. So first of all, go to any web browser and log into this website, that is nite.com. Now once you log into this website, you will see here there are tons of programs listed out with different categories. So for example, if you want to download and install web browser, select the respective web browser. Now say for example you want to install WinApp, so click on it, and so you can select multiple programs from this website and do the installation process automatically. So say for example select the WinApp, and I'll select one more program and this one, and this one. So I've selected all these 4 programs from this website. Now once your selection is done, then click on, scroll it down, and you'll see here get your NIT or whatever you pronounce, NIT or NINIT, I don't know how to pronounce it. So click here. So once you click on this button, it will start downloading one exe file. Now you'll see here one exe file is downloaded, and now just run this exe file and it will start the downloading process automatically, and installation will be done by itself. So click yes. So now you can exit or close the browser or minimize the browser. So you can see here downloading 7-zip, and you can show the details. So you can see in the details which software is downloading. You can see in the details view. So you can see here 7-zip program is already downloaded and installed. So in this status you can see here the status is okay, and one more program is now downloading. So whenever you reinstall your Windows operating system, then it is required to reinstall all your programs. So the downloading and installation process of several programs will take or consume more time. So by using this program or by using this application, you can automate the process of downloading and installation of multiple programs in Windows computer. So you can see here it is downloading and installing by itself. So once you run this exe file, it will start the downloading process and install the selected program automatically in your system. So you can see here in my desktop the shortcut icons has been placed. That means the programs has been successfully installed by using this program. So you can see here all the status is now okay, so I can close the program. So now let's run this program to verify it, the installation is successfully done or not. So you can see here the program has been installed successfully, and I can run the program. So if you are not known about this program before, then click on the like button, and if you are new to my channel, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. And thanks for watching my video.